Hey you guys, so in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my calipers and rotors on my 370. As you can tell, the calipers are pretty banged up. Big chip there, little one there, tiny one there, and my rotors are all rusted, so I want to get those fixed as well. So that wheel is definitely the worst one. Take a look at the driver's side. Got chip right there. Not too bad on that side. Back one here, again, just a little chip right there. Last one here, we just have some chips right here. Kind of hard to see. But yeah, the rotors look really bad too, so I'm gonna get those fixed as well. So I'm actually going to be dropping this off at Budget Auto Repair on Thursday, and then MagnetiKote is going to be doing the powder coating of the calipers and rotors. So I should have it back by Monday, and then I'll make a video afterwards. And I will leave a link in the description down below to both of them, so if you want to check them out, you can. I will see you guys once it's all done. Hey you guys, so not too long ago I dropped my 370Z off at Budget Auto Repair, where they disassembled the calipers and took the rotors off. Now, the reason they disassembled the calipers is because I actually got these things re-powder coated. They were getting really chipped and banged up, and the rotors were really rusty on the center, like the hub part. So, brought it to the Budget Auto, they ripped everything apart, and then MagnetiKote actually did the powder coating, and then obviously when they were done, they brought it back, and Budget Auto Repair reassembled everything. So everything's now done. As you can tell, they look really good. There used to be a big chip right around there. Excuse the rusty rotors right now, I just washed it, but you can see the hub there. It's painted like a dark gray, almost a black. And I did get rid of the Nissan sticker there, so now it's just a gloss red. Looks really good. We'll just walk around the car real quick, take a look. Again, looks so much better now. Really liked how this turned out. Back here you can see the black hub a little bit better. Last one here. So yeah, they basically powder coated that part right there. Looks way better. Just excuse the rusty rotor right now. Yeah, so all in all, everything turned out pretty good. They did a really good job, and I will leave a link in the description down below to both of those sites, or those businesses. And yeah, if you guys want to check them out, they do great work. Thanks for watching.